Is it legal?
Hi there, I'm Alex, your go-to injury attorney in the vibrant city of Phoenix, Arizona. Today on Is It Legal, we're going to be getting into a topic that causes a lot of debate, and that is vigilante justice and the subject of citizen arrest. First off, I'll give you the quick answer and we'll look at the law. Then we'll look at the legal intricacies, especially how the Fourth Amendment comes into play. So stick around if you want to hear about the nitty-gritty. Let's say you want to dress up like a superhero and patrol the streets like Phoenix Jones in Seattle.
I endanger my life with a reason and a purpose. I train for these situations. I don't just come out willy-nilly and just run on the streets.
If you were on patrol in Arizona, could you do as Jones did in this situation?
Phoenix called 911, put the guy in a hold, and waited for police to arrive.
Is that legal in Arizona? Let's look at the law.
Arrest by private person. A private person may make an arrest. 1. When the person to be arrested has in his presence committed a misdemeanor amounting to a breach of the peace or a felony. 2. When a felony has been in fact committed and he has reasonable ground to believe that the person to be arrested has committed it.
So as we see in Arizona, you got two scenarios in which you can make a legal citizen's arrest. One is if someone commits a misdemeanor or a felony right in front of you. You have the green light to slap on the cuffs. Let's give you a scenario. You're walking around like a superhero. You see someone commit an actual crime, totally legit to take action. Our next scenario is a crime happened and you have a pretty good reason to think someone did it. Imagine something out of a crime thriller. You're walking, you see a dead body, there's blood everywhere. You didn't see him get shot, but you look over, you see someone with a gun in their hand. You can jump in and be the hero and make that arrest. So there we have our quick answer. In Arizona, it is legal for a citizen to make arrest. Now, if you're a law nerd like me, you want to stick around, hear some case law analysis, that's fantastic. We're going to get into that. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. And remember, if you're ever injured in Arizona, give me a call. I gotcha. All right, for those of you still with me, let's geek out on the law. In Arizona, in State v. Chavez, the appellate court decided that a DUI is a misdemeanor that amounts to breach of the peace. So under that doctrine, then if your Uncle Bob is having a few too many at the family bash, you're actually authorized to make a citizen arrest. Wild, right? Now on to something a bit juicier. In State v. Schlar, pronunciation unknown, picture this, a guy thinks his stuff was stolen, and then he sees a suspicious truck. Well, the guy goes and pulls it over in a pretty dramatic fashion and ends up pulling out a gun, shooting somebody. He wanted jury instruction that talked about citizen arrest, but he admitted he wasn't trying to make a citizen arrest. He was just investigating what he believed to be a crime. Lesson learned. In Arizona, no authority to stop people for impromptu investigation. Now here's the kicker with this citizen arrest stuff, the Fourth Amendment. The one where if cops mess up when they pull you over, the evidence is toast in court, doesn't even get in. Well, that does not apply if a private citizen is the one who arrested you. Evidence still comes in, you could be convicted. So yeah, in State v. Garcia Navarro, let's say you're after your DUI suspect, boom, you bust down a door, you get more than you bargained for, that evidence is coming in. Crazy, right? It's like a loophole in Fourth Amendment protections. Thankfully, doesn't happen very often. All right, that's us concluding our analysis. Thanks for sticking with me. If you ever need help in Arizona, give me a shout, I got you, and stay safe out there.